show you how to write a first Python code. So for that, first we need to open the Python idle. For that, we need to go to the start, and if we scroll down a bit, we can see Python folder. So if we click on it, we can see idle, right? So you should open it. And the idle shell is opened. So idle has mainly two windows. One is the shell window and another one is the editor's window. So the one we are in is the shell window. So here you can see the first line, right? This line tells the version of the Python we are in. So my version is Python 3.9.5. And you can see these three greater than signs, right? These together are called as a prompt. So a prompt in Python tells us we can write the code there. So now I want the Python to say, hello world. For that, we need to write print brackets. And in those brackets, I'm going to write double quotes. And in those double quotes, I'm going to write hello world. Hello world. So this line says that the Python to print the words between the double quotes. Okay, now we should click on enter to run the program. See, it says hello world. As I said, Python has two different windows. This is the shell window and another one is the editor's window. So to open editor's window, you need to go to the file and you should click on new file. And that's it, the editor's window is opened. So now I'm going to tell the difference between the shell window and the editor's window. So in the shell window, we can write small snippets of codes like this. Small snippets of codes to add them into a bigger program. And we cannot save anything in this. And if you want to run a program in the shell window, you simply need to press enter. And that's it. The result comes out. But in this editor's window, you can write bigger programs and you can save the programs. Okay. So for example, I want to save this file. This is untitled, right? Means it's not saved. For that, I'm going to the file and you can see save as, right? So you should click on that. Now, I'm going to the desktop. So here now I'm going to create a new folder called Python code to save all the programs I write. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to name this file as first program. Now I'm going to click on save. And ta-da! See, it says first program.py. So this py comes because it's a Python file. And in the editor's window, we can also run. But here, we cannot simply press enter. For example, if I'm going to write print brackets, double quotes. And in those double quotes, I'm going to write hello world. Hello world. Now, if I click on enter, it's not going to run, because to run, first you need to save it. So Control S and save. Then you should go to the run option here, and you can see run module, right? So should click on that. And the result comes on the shell window. So if we run in the editors window, the result comes in shell window like this. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.